to the prestigious Patrick Haber team. In today's site visit to the GGPS Bakhtullah School, the primary chalk coat on the boundary wall is completed, which consists of calcium carbonate, chalk, binder, resin, solvent, pigment, additives, and thickness agent. The 2 coats of wall putty, the 2 coats of distemper and inside, the 2 coats of distemper outside, the 2 coats of weather shield outside, and 2 coats of weather shield enamel paint has been completed, and 2 coats of weather shield outer stuck pointing has been completed on the GGPS Bakhtullah School. The wall putty consists of white cement, fillers, polymers, additives, and pigments. The railing work is in progress on rail, which is a GI pipe railing, galvanized iron pipe railing with the inner dia 2.5 inches, with the height vary from 2 feet 9 inches to 3 feet, or as per the direction of engineer in charge at side. The design will be approved by the senior engineer in conjunction with the district engineer. The distemper, which is provided on the outer and inside of the room, consists of base, binding agent, chalk, lime, glue, pigment, solvent, and additives. The GI pipe railing work is in progress. The pipe dia is 2.5 inches, and the rectification work and maintenance work will be completed on the boundary wall at first coat of weather shield snow sim. Similarly, the snow sim weather shield first coat will be provided on the left side of the new proposed building boundary wall, and the final coats will be provided on the new proposed building ceilings, outer ground floor columns, beams. The instruction to the contractor is given for the first coat of weather shield snow sim should be commenced on the next week of boundary wall at the scope of repair. The chemical polishing activity is planned on work plan from 1st April 2025 to 31st April 2025, while outside it is in progress till 31st August 2024. The pathways or walkway is also completed. The wall mounted steel main electrical control board is installed, electrical switches on veranda for electrical power distribution and circuit protection. At approved work plan of this school, the paint activity is planned as planned duration from 14 February 2025 to 14 March 2025. While at site, this activity continues till 31st August 2024. The paint activity at the new proposed building gets a lead of 189 working days ahead of the construction schedule for walls, ceilings, outer walls, windows, paint. Similarly, the electrical appliances, a 56-inch dia, sweep fans, ceiling mounted, and the wall mounted brackets fans are installed, including the general light standard GLS brass holders are installed for the LED lights, which will be installed in forthcoming weeks. The electrical fittings has been completed at the new proposed building, including all the paint work, chemical polishing, the electrical fitting activity, electrical appliance activity, and electrification activity is planned and construction schedule with effect from 14 February 2025 to 14 March 2025. While inside, the electrification, electrical appliances, fittings activity is completed at both new proposed classroom 2, new proposed classroom 3, and new proposed classroom 4, including outer veranda projection, and ahead of the schedule by 190 working calendar days. The LED light installation will commence from upcoming week. That consumes 12 watt of electrical power to produce light at our classrooms. The LED light sample will be approved by both the district and senior engineer, which would be energy efficient light. The SRSP logo paint is in progress and enamel paint for branding and visibility. The 2 coats of the weather shield is completed on the existing building outer stuck pointing existing projections, with SRSP logo act as a visual identifier showcasing SRSP involvement and support in the project. The chemical polishing activity is also completed. The SRSP logo helps to increase the visibility of SRSP's work in the community and demonstrate their contribution to the development of school. The weather shield activity is ahead of the schedule by 189 working days at new proposed standards, and existing building, the weather shield activity is ahead of the schedule by 37 days. The new proposed standards is completed. The septic tank work is in progress. The weather shield deployed on the existing building outer stuck pointing contains binders, resins, pigments, silica, and calcium carbonate. Weather shield first coat will commence on boundary wall in this week with installation of a thinner layer of mosaic on plinth protection to avoid absorption of water. The window repairs work will be in progress. That include windows repair, windows painting, and checking for defects. The existing classrooms distemper course has been completed. The chemical polishing is completed. Similarly,